this is going to be a video of some, I don't remember what Total Miner video, but as you if you have noticed, some of you haven't, some of you have. If you see my other videos, you've seen I have used way worse methods for doing it, such as stacking a ton of pillows up and putting it there, or just holding it while playing, which is the worst idea. I have to move the thumbsticks with my chin, which is really hard. So I was going to show you something. What do I want to do? Secret mine. Wait, what's secret mine anyway? Sky Fries around island. Can you see okay? Okay, I just checked. Oh, what was I going to do again? I am so freaking stupid. Oh yeah. I'm going to show you how to build a simple map. And how to build a survival island. It's pretty easy, don't worry. Okay, so I'll push it up a little more so you can see a little better. There you go. Okay, so if you can see right, okay. First thing you want to do is whatever block you're making the island out of, get once, and then just put it there. Then delete everything else that you see. Oh no, I need to buy a few more sand blocks. And delete all this stuff in the shop. Unless you're making your island out of granite. I don't really do that. I actually hate granite. It's really annoying because, like, you know, in the adventure mode where you have to why do I always forget what I'm gonna say? Like what? There was the granite that's indestructible, which is pretty annoying. Okay, so first what you want to do is build a little tiny little square, as big as you want or as small as you want. Next, what you want to do is put your shops back on. Okay. There is some things about this that I do not know, about making Survival Island. One thing I do not know how to do is when other people play this map, they'll start with certain items, and they cannot fly and stuff like that. So it's like on Dig Deep mode, but, you know. But I made it on creative. So the next thing you want to do is build your other layers. What the? Oh. And then you pretty much want to put extra kind of resources such as, you know, like other redwood, basalt, coal, flint, greenstone, diamonds, something that would be useful. Maybe a few wool, or plant a few saplings. That's really all, but I'll show you a few things you could do when making a survival. Okay, a few coal, flint. What else do I need for making a survival island? I need basalt, of course. One of the most important items in the game. A few saplings. Of course, without basalt, you wouldn't have furnaces. If you wouldn't have furnaces, you would be freezing. And you wouldn't be able to make clay or glass or whatever else you could, like fresh out diamonds. I wonder why you can't make, what do you call it again? Like, charcoal. You know, like, it doesn't make sense why you have to go find coal, because on legendary mode, pretty much you cannot find coal that easily, because you have to go in the dark and find it, because there's no torches lighting up the place, and you can't buy any either. No, that's really all. And For now, good boy. No, actually, no, I forgot. Oh, I'm gonna show you also a tutorial of what you can do in a furnace. Buy all the items that you need. It's sand. What else could we use? Vitamin D. Gold, iron. What else you can do in the furnace? Titanium. I wonder if you could cook wool. Never tried that. Or ice. Maybe make water. Oh, what else could I use? I don't know what else you could burn. That's all I know. Okay, so first thing, why did I buy Colemanite? Oh, ruby. I didn't buy ruby. Okay, so the first thing you can burn is gold. I suggest you use wood though, because it's a lot easier to collect than coal, and it makes gold bars. And okay, then another thing you can do is turn gold bars into, what do you think? Gold pieces. That's one of my friend's discoveries, not mine. No, it's really better to just sell your gold bars. It's a lot better than diamonds will turn into diamonds. Maybe I can cook diamonds. I don't know. I'll try that actually. Makes diamond gemstones. Then, no, I can't. Then iron into, what the? That was instant. An iron bar. I need another piece of coal. Santa, I need coal for Christmas because I need it to cook my furnace and make torches and stuff. I wonder why coal would be bad to get for Christmas in Minecraft or whatever this game is called, Coal Miner. And if you cook sand, it will obviously make glass, if you didn't know that. It's on one of my, plus if you download this alchemy game, you can figure that out too. You just put sand in fire and it makes glass. Next thing, titanium, which is, oh, this takes forever. I never knew that. Titanium took so long. Weird titanium. Okay. I don't think you can cook that. Maybe you can, I'm not sure, because I have never experienced cooking titanium. It makes ruby gems. Why do they look like hearts? What else can you cook? I'm going to test some other things. I'm going to try cooking gold pieces. Why does it always show that green line? Flint. Let's try flint. Nope. Nope. Are you still there, audience? Please. Are you there? Okay. What if I could cook coal and coal together? No. I think that's it. Bye. Oops. Bye. Gonna go for a swim. Bye.